Welcome to EXPLAINCAD. In this video, we are creating a path. This is exercise tutorial of SolidWorks exercise 12 of EXPLAINCAD. I select top planes, sketch. I select a circle. Give it some dimensions. 50 mm. Come back from the sketch. Now go to extrude boss face feature. Mid plane. 50 mm. Okay. Now go to reference geometry, plane, select front plane, 25 mm. Okay. Now select this plane, sketch, normal, select center line, right click, select option. Now we write a text on it. Flip vertical, flip horizontal, select this whole text, increase its width, go to font section, select anyone, increase its size. Okay. Now extend this line. Come back from the sketch. First of all, we use shell feature. I select this face, 3 mm. Okay. Now go to wrap feature. Select this sketch. Now select this face, emboss. Okay. Select this plane, hide. Now give it some colors. Okay. Select wrap feature from feature tree. Give it some different appearance. Okay. So this is the basic exercise by using wrap feature, shell feature and text sketch. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.